There are times when we want to remind ourselves what we are capable of. When we defy the status quo, we keep innovating and push limits. This is Yamori, a multi-stack LPWAN module equipped with Murata products and designed by Sentinum. Using Yamori's platform, we are going to show what LPWAN is capable of, even under the most extreme conditions. But how? We are taking Yamori to near space. Launch is imminent. Inside the payload, Yamori uses a wide range of sensors to capture the environmental conditions. Utilizing cutting-edge long-range communication and localization technology, Yamori transmits all the data it has collected back to Earth. The signal is captured by our gateway and hundreds of other gateways around the world. The interface visualizes altitude, transmission range, location, and several other data in real time. After reaching an altitude of 40.2 kilometers, a parachute is activated and brings Yamori back down to Earth. Mission successful. On its 300-kilometer journey under extreme conditions, Yamori gathered and communicated various data and proved the capabilities of LPWAN technology. One thing we can say is, with Yamori, the possibilities are endless.